Welcome back to our channel.
My name is Nyla.
And my name is Janaya.
In this video, we're gonna show you how we make creamy shampoo.
First, we're gonna use some hibiscus flowers. Okay.
That's good.
Now we're gonna use some lavender flower. Then we're gonna use some fenugreek powder. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna measure out our water. Who do I get this to? Now we're gonna add our ingredients to the pot to simmer. Sorry, didn't mean to do that.
Now that we let that simmer, we're gonna get started on our next phase with some xanthan gum. Now we're gonna use our distilled water.
It went past 16.
Now we're gonna add our water to our xanthan gum. Now we're gonna mix it until it's clear. I'm gonna strain the hibiscus mixture to get all the particles out of it.
It looks like to me it's turning into slime. We're doing something right now. It looked like somebody just said watermelon, cherries, and strawberries, and the apple.
It was taking a little while to strain, so I switched to a bigger strainer.
Now we're gonna move on to our next phase. We're gonna use our emulsifier and our oil. Dang, that's already a lemon green. It'd be like 13. That's already 21.
I can't.
My feet hurt.
You want it? Now for our next step, we're going to measure out our aloe vera juice.
On what? No. No.
Now for the next step, we're going to use the double boil method to heat up our oil and water phase. Yes, place it inside the pot.
And this?
Yes, place it inside the pot. Okay. And you're gonna let it melt. Turn the stove on.
This one?
Turn this. All right, Nyla.
But this one's already turned into liquid.
Great. Come on, Nyla.
Marching, 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 marching. March, march, marching, marching, march.
Awesome. The aloe vera juice to your mixture. Oh, yeah, to your mixture. Awesome.
Now I'm gonna add my xanthan gum. Now I'm gonna mix it really well. I'm gonna add the water phase to the oil phase. And I'm gonna mix it really well. Now I'm gonna use my immersion blender to make sure that water and the oil blend well. Oh, what the heck?
I like that consistency, though.
So yeah, we're just gonna keep stirring.
So
for the next part, we're gonna measure out our surfactants. They say shoot a shoot.
Oh, I thought this was
Exactly.
Mom.
How's he fighting for her life? Nobody's promised tomorrow.
Wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow.
Yeah, you realize you could have just did this.
Now we're going to gently combine our surfactants with our mixture. While the girls are mixing up this DIY creamy shampoo, let me tell you the amazing benefits of the 3 main ingredients.
Yeah, look at that
The hibiscus flower is a powerhouse for hair growth. It strengthens the roots and reduces hair fall, and adds a natural shine, leaving your hair healthy and vibrant. Lavender is not just for relaxation, but it also soothes the irritation in your scalp. It balances oil production and help keep dandruff away, making your hair feel fresh and clean. Fenugreek powder is rich in protein and iron. It deeply nourishes, reduce breakage, and keep your hair soft, strong, and hydrated. Put them all together and you've got a natural shampoo that cleanses, strengthens, and restores your hair without any harsh chemicals. Give it a try and I promise you, your hair will thank you later. Now back to the girls. Now we're gonna add our wheat protein and our preservative. First the wheat protein. Add it.
This is the wheat
Yes.
protein?
Add it, all of it. All of it. Nope. Stir it in. Don't, Nyla. Gently stir it in with your red thing. Your red spatula. Gently, gently, gently. Gently. Nice. Now our preservative.
Hey, take your...
Just go ahead and stir it together. Mix it really well. Gently. Gently mix it.
Ew.
Gently mix it.
Why are you saying, ooh, nothing happened, Nyla? Now we're gonna add our essential oil.
These essential oils do more than just enhance the scent. They're packed with powerful benefits for your hair and scalp. They have antifungal and antibacterial properties, helping to keep the scalp clean, balanced, and free of dandruff and irritation. They help to lock in moisture, preventing dryness and breakage, while strengthening the hair shaft for healthier and more resilient hair strands. They promote better blood circulation to the scalp, which can boost hair growth and enhance natural shine, giving your hair a soft, healthy glow. With these powerful essential oils, your hair gets deep nourishment, protection, and strength, all in one simple natural shampoo. Now we're going to pour our creamy shampoo into our bottles. Thank you for watching. Bye.